Jai Sriman
I have no idea, I have no clue what is going on here. I am not at all involved in sending Rama into the forest. I am not at all involved in sending Sitamma, Lakshmana into the forest. Like that, he is trying to prove himself that he is not involved in this entire episode. He is trying to prove it to the ministers and Purohitas. Bharata in front of Kaikamma, having Sumantra and all other mantri and Purohitas realize that he does not know anything what is happening in Ayodhya. To make that clear, Bharata is shouting a lot, saying that I have no clue what is going on in this Ayodhya. I do not have any kind of my involvement what happened in this Ayodhya. Like this, when Bharata is shouting a lot with crying, Sumitra and Kausalyamma heard all those words of Bharata. Immediately Kausalyamma saying that, oh Sumitra, please take me to Bharata, I would like to see Bharata. Then Sumitra started taking Kausalyamma to Bharata. By then Bharata and Shatrughna already came to Kausalya Devi's palace. Bharata has seen Kausalyamma. Bharata has seen Kausalyamma who is crying a lot. Bharata has seen Kausalyamma who is fainted and just fell on the floor. Bharata, after seeing Kausalyamma in that situation, immediately all came and suddenly hugged Kausalyamma and started crying a lot, Bharata. Then Kausalyamma saying that, oh Bharata, idante rajyam praptam akantakam, here is your kingdom. Oh Bharata, here is the kingdom which is gained by your mother for you. Oh Bharata, here is the kingdom which you have been craving and craving for this. Oh Bharata, here is the kingdom. There is no one against you here. You can just enjoy everything at your own pace. Oh Bharata, come on, take this kingdom and enjoy. Do you know, Bharata, your mother sent my son Ramachandra into the forest just for her to give this kingdom to you. Bharata, why did you have to send my Rama to the forest? Even if Rama is here, he would have easily given this entire kingdom to you very happily. You didn't have to send my son to forest, Bharata. Why did you do that? Like this, Kausalyamma accusing Bharata and also saying that, Bharata, now you sent my Rama to the forest. Okay, now you send me also, Sumitra also to the forest. We would like to take your father's body and we would like to take some Agnihotram and we would like to go to your brother Rama because he is the one who has to perform final rites to your father. Please do that favor to me, at least send both of us to my son Rama. Like that, when Kausalya Devi saying to Bharata, Bharata could not bear all that strong words and also accusation from Kausalya Mata. Immediately Bharata started feeling and Vraneti Vudyeva Suchina, started feeling that somebody is poking on the wound which is already there. To that extent he started suffering and also immediately papata charane tasyaha. He fell on the feet of Kausalya Mata and started crying a lot and saying that, "Oh Mata, I promise I do not know anything what has happened in this Ayodhya. I have no involvement in this. And you realize very well, you know very well that how much I am devoted to my Rama, how much I like and I love my Rama. Oh mother, please do not say those words." Like that Bharata crying a lot. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.